Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to share your Spotify rap. So all you have to do is to launch your Spotify application. Make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. And then here, what you're going to do is you have to scroll down till you see this your Spotify rap is here. Tap this one. Once you tap this, it will take you directly to your Spotify wrap result. And what you're going to do is you just have to click till you reach the very last presentation of your Spotify wrap. As you can see, there is this share button and you can choose the layout that you want. So for example, I want to share this one right here. Once you tap share, then you will see options below. Some of these are your social media accounts. So if you want to share this to your TikTok, you just have to click TikTok. If you want to share this to your Instagram, tap Instagram. If you want to share this to your Snapchat, your Facebook, Messenger, Facebook stories, and so on, all you have to do is to tap that social media logo. You can also click this three dots right here. You will see options like if you want to share this to your Google Drive and so on. Okay. Also, you can share this to your Bluetooth and add those social media accounts right here. Now, you can also tap this copy link and then paste it to anywhere you wish. So basically, that's how easy it is to share your Spotify wrap. Make sure that your account is logged into your social media account here. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.